Honda used to be a popular brand during the gas period. Now, Dongfeng Honda's first car of Lingxi, its new energy brand has been released, Lingxi L. Let's see if Honda's spirit is still there. 4 hard lines, straight edges and right angles. 3 LED light strips are gathered on its logo. The car looks like a robot from an anime. The series cost about 150,000, but its electric review mirror is adopted on all the versions. The device is kept inside in case it's scratched. Open the trunk. Wow, look, such a great depth. Oh my gosh, if only the premium version had an electric tail door. When we get inside, does it look like a spacecraft? Which else provides 5 jointed screens? This one is for playing videos for your wife or girlfriend. This is for map and music playing. This is the driving information. These ones on both sides are for reviewing. They're so large. As a fan of the optical review mirror, it's not so hard for me to watch it because it's large enough. Here's a single cup holder. Don't curse it now, check it out. Your girl may use this one to hold drinks. The outlet is facing it. It's warm in winter and cool in summer. Still want to curse it? The soundproof is a merit. 1.84 square meters, a large one in cars of the same price. It can shield 99.99% of the UV and 87% of the heat. Pretty dark color, so your girl won't be afraid of being tainted inside. Honda's seats have been praised. Its arm position is very wide, so it's so comfortable. The left and right sides can hold you tight. The back seats are softer than the front ones. Look. I've adjusted the front seat. It's almost 3/5 space for legs. The space of the second row is beyond my imagination. Here's a thing out of your expectation. Guys, behold. It can be fixed when you lock it. There's a small table. If you don't drive, you may place things for kids or food on it. Honda has spent much effort on improving the human-facing experiences. At first, I thought it just had a badass appearance, but when I began to drive and change it to the sports mode, I tried to step on it. Holy cow, guys. Haha, this electric throttle is quite sensitive in the sports mode. It's a car with strong power despite of its ordinary motor values on the book. Thanks to this front MacPherson and the rear torsion beam suspensions, they feel soft and comfortable. It turns swiftly when you change the lane and doesn't feel like a car with large batteries. Its body attitude is responsive. The features I've just experienced definitely show that the factory has paid much attention to and spent much effort on the vehicle.